Insane homemade projects you are unaware of. Hello and welcome back to our channel TechZone. Wondering what the insane homemade projects you are unaware of are? Here we have combined the list for you. Let's dive into the video. Create your clone. Is your real doll looking like a dull, rubber-toothed toy? With this DIY paper clone business, you can take your life-size doll addiction to the next level. You'll be able to crave your airy paper eyeballs in just 7 days. Unless you're in the DIY skewer ball business, don't ruin it. Mason jar with a painting. Since the growing popularity of farm decor on Etsy, painted mason jars have been sold in various forms and sizes. Vases, sconces, centerpieces, and even cleaning soap dispensers were created from them. Some people may be completely clean while wasting their money on craft fairs. Walmart sells a 10-pack of mason jars for only $10. If you don't have a Walmart nearby, the largest supermarkets will advertise them in the same aisle as the aluminum foil and saran wrap. After that, you'll need to get some chalk paint. These come in a range of hues and have a matte pastel texture that dries quickly. Before you start painting the tops of your glasses, make sure you have some newspapers ready. It's now time to dry them and call it a day. You've got a lovely piece of agricultural decor for your home. Using solar energy to warm sausages. You can start a DIY business if you have more time in the palm of your hand than propane. This DIY Sun hot dog cooker, developed mostly at I Will Try It Out Oregon, Vancouver, distracts Wiener Roast visitors from the reality of offering slaughterhouse compost and great green culinary talents it's useful for. Making ornaments out of clay. If you want to hang modest ornaments throughout your house, whether you're ready for the holiday season or not, you may have to play with something from the statue clay. Clay blocks can be purchased online or at a craft store. Buy air-dried clay instead of baking clay if you don't need it to solidify. This is a fun hobby to do with your kids since they will feel proud of themselves for helping you make the ornaments. Cut the noodles into shreds. Is paper shredding still a thing? If a coworker inquires why he keeps the shredder stuffed under his shirt at work, explain that the control has been replaced with a new flower-like feature of the era known as the erase button. Then, with a little cleaning and a few easy tweaks, you can transform that old-fashioned desk into a noodle gadget fit for a gourmet. Furthermore, making candy chains out of semolina powder is far more enticing than selecting mainstays from 1990s crayon files. Avoid shredding your fingers, children, paper clips, or ties. Wreath of fake flowers. You're selling stunning flower wreaths if you're wandering through your goals and home things in the spring. When purchased from a savings account, these normally cost between $20 and $30. However, you can get some pieces from your local Dollar Tree or construct a wreath at home in about an hour. You'll need a wreath, herbs, thread trimmers, and a glue gun to build a flower wreath. It might be as simple as correctly placing the plants in the foam wreathing and allowing them to thrive. You might also gather some plants from your garden if you do this in the spring or summer. These can be connected to a vine wreath. A tutorial on flower wreaths may be found on YouTube, and it's always a good idea to discover a video that will make you feel more secure with the material you're dealing with. Recovering from a coffee addiction. The large disco ball in an antique espresso cup screams caffeine addiction. If you're like me and still disregard the tour cup, here's your chance to save face. Make this easy DIY espresso cup lamp alleviate everyone's embarrassment. At the very least, you recycle. Cost of a toilet turbo. If you're preoccupied with larger fire bullets when shooting trees close by, constructing the world's quickest toilet might help you pinpoint your view a little more precisely. Yes, there is. All you'll need is a new Boeing jet engine, $10,000, and a reputation as one of the first high-speed porta-potty tour operators. Deliver the Christmas tree to the space station. Is your Christmas tree still standing in the corner of your living room, glaring at you like a pile of dry needle-colored judgments? Perhaps you're anticipating the most effective means of removing it from your life. Don't mess with it now that we're in January. Opportunity demands a square in the face. It's known as 32 rockets in open fields. Give Eberg chocolate breasts. Consider crafting this DIY chocolate breast foam for that special someone if you are taller than Michelangelo. Nibble and PG paper clones are great for you, and you don't feel compelled to start with your chest. Who needs a full-scale replica of your dirt made of rich dark chocolate? Pinball Gadget Espresso Table. Tired of your valuable beer sliding away from the faculty's strange old pinball game at the bar? You can now bring alcoholism and bad behavior into your own home with this DIY Pinball Gadget Espresso Table. Warning: don't combine handicrafts with typical pinball enthusiasts. Drinks on your face can result from spoiling your prized collection. So these were insane home DIY projects. Let us know your views in the comments section below.